Yep.
So you can go back to bed.
No, I gotta be responsible.
Don't do that. It's overrated. All right, question 3. In previous lessons, we assumed the population standard deviation was known. This lesson, we're making a different assumption about that thing. What has changed? We assume it is unknown.
In the last one, wasn't it the same as the mean?
Is it? It could be. I'll trust you more than I would trust myself on that. Is it the same as the mean?
I think so.
Okay.
But you know, I could be totally wrong.
You're probably right. I struggled in this one, so.
Okay, for the next 2 questions, let the null and alternative hypothesis be u, or mean, equals 8, and mean is more than 8. Assume that the population standard deviation is not known. Becca collects a sample of size 9 and computes mean equals 11, and I forgot what that sign is, equals 6. Is the standard deviation known? Yes. No. Wait. No, if we're going off of the same one as before, of if it's the same, then that's what we're trying to figure out, right?
Yeah. Well, because it does say here, assume the population standard deviation is not known. Now I'm all confused.
Well, we'll go with that.
With that, it is known or not known?
Not known.
Okay. What is the value of t?
What does t represent?
Yes. Let's see. So students t distribution. Oh man. I got 1.5.
Use the following values which were pulled from the data file body temp for the next 5 questions. Copy and paste them into your software. Use the null hypothesis, mean equals 98.6. Alternative hypothesis is less than 98.6, and level of significance 0.05. What is the mean? got 98.22.
98.22.
What does the S represent?
S, that's the, oh, crud. I had it written down here. So S is the sample statistic for standard deviation.
So just find the standard deviation of those.
I guess so, yeah.
That'd be 0.922.
T-score. Sorry, let me try one more time. I don't know if this is right, but I have negative 0.412. It's the p-value. Oh, p-value. think it's negative 0.206.
Okay. What's the correct decision based on this evidence? I think reject the null hypothesis because the alternative hypothesis was right.
Yeah. Okay. I use the following values, which are pulled from the data file Baby Boom for the next 6 questions. These values are the wait time in minutes between births at the hospital. Copy and paste them into SPSS. The hospital claims that the average time between births is 40 minutes and plans its resource allocation based on this claim. If you want to test their claim, you select those numbers there, low significance of 0.01. So I'm trying into my software. It's just taking forever.
Yeah, I'm just trying to find an equation and can't find any, so you're all good.
And so let me copy and paste these in there, so I'm gonna have to punch them in manually. It wants the p-value, is that what it's asking us for?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm not sure this is 100% correct, but we're doing this.
It's more than I've got.
So it's going to be 0.00000025. So 6 zeros. I'd say around 3 decimal places, but I don't really.
It's probably the wrong answer because of that, but oh well.
Yeah. But I don't really know how else, just because, I mean, it's saying that the SIG2, whatever is just 0, which is what it comes out to be. Then it's supposed to be this, and I don't. Yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
What decision do you make?
Well, the other one we rejected. You want to do fail to reject this time?
Yeah, let's do that.
You decide to try another alternative hypothesis. This time you use mean as less than 40 and you keep the same level of significance. Did the p-value increase or decrease? You want to say increase?
Sure.
Let's reject it this time.
Let's reject it. Now construct a 95% confidence interval for the true mean wait time between first to the hospital. What is your lower limit of this confidence interval? Let's see. It should be 23.499.
499?
Yep.
Oh, so that'll just be 5 because it's just
Oh,
one decimal.
1 decimal point, so 0.5. Sorry. 23.5. The upper would be 56.6. All right. Do this.
Almost 65%. Pretty good, pretty good.
Take it.
I mean, when we retake it, we can go do those ones that we got the ones when there was the 2 wrong. Or, like, there's 2 questions and we got the 1 wrong. Just do the other one. You'll get immediate points.
Pretty much. Okay. Well, good work.
Same to you.
All right. We will see you next week.
Yep.